Hey, this is Shelly, and I have a pair of black shoes from Dream Pairs. I just opened them just now, so I don't know anything about them, haven't even tried them on. But I will tell you, these are kids. I wear kids' shoes. These are kids size 3. Size 3, okay? And I wanted all black because it's kind of hard to find all black and kids. But I want to do this review, and this is an honest review because usually kids' shoes are made more for durability than they are for comfort. It's true, just because, you know, kids are horrible when it comes to shoes. So as an adult wearing kids' shoes, ugh. So I'm going to test these out. It'll be good, especially if you have kids, because you do want them to be comfortable. So they're really lightweight. I like that because I have another pair, the black tennis shoes. I wanted them because it's coming all undone right here. These are not. Okay, so I'm going to try these on, and I'm going to let you know what they feel like and let you know what I think. But sometimes when you first try a pair of shoes on, that tells you a lot right there. I want to help you because it's kind of hard if you're shopping online and you can't try the shoes on. They look like, probably be better if I didn't have white socks on. Just got them on. Tried to wear this kind of pants so you can actually see them. I'm a runner right now, man. These would be good to run in. They're lightweight. They kind of have cushion. I like the cushion at the bottom. All right, I like them. They're comfy. They're really comfy. And they're kind of, I mean, they're not wide. I mean, you know, but they're kind of wide enough too, you know, so you don't have your feet squished up. I hate that, scrunched up. All right. Pretty comfy. Hope this video helped you.